Oh hell yeah!
Oh hell yeah!
Oh.
Something like that.
What?
Oh no, not the gun.
Oh, it's coming out.
It's big on the Wheezening.
Hell yeah.
That's bullshit. Stay away from me, please. No. You have to pick me up. There's a timer.
No, I don't.
No way.
Oh,
They do say I'm tighter than one in the cradle, so I mean...
Oh, wow. Whoa.
holy shit.
What the fuck is that?
It works.
Wait, let me
Is
see.
that?
What happened? Do it again?
Is that a shotgun?
Yeah.
Shoot one time. That is disgusting. Hit it on one of the plates.
Get in and out, Chloe. You know what's hit 'em.
Jesus Christ, I just hear the fucking...
Dude, I just Dude. What's up, fuckers?
Dead.
They're coming so quick. Shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna stare at you while you eat. Hurry up.
I had a rough day. Rough day at the office. Fuck. Stop!
That was nice.
Don't worry, I was going for a squishy, so you're fine.
Yeah.
No. No. How much boost did you have?
I gotta see this.
Right, right.
No. Oh my god.
What happened?
Nothing.
Holy shit! Wow.
Dude, just fucking hammered.
Find me.
Hey guys, I'm right here.
Guys,
what?
find
I'm right
me.
here, bro.
I know you see me. Find me.
Thanks. I didn't have boost, AJ. You bumped me out of the way and then took my boost. And then didn't even try to save the ball. Tricked him. Go, go, go. That was aggressive, bro.
Holy shit!
Do you work tomorrow?
Yeah, that's why I'm not taking a nap.
Ain't no way.
Fake it?
Yeah, yeah.
My game keeps stuck.
That wasn't good.
Please come back! Ah!
Yeah!
Bitch!
What the fuck was that noise?
Yep, I'm in their net.
What?
God damn it.
I'm coming down!
You do cheats.
I do tomatoes. So you need it. Hear me out here. You need it. You put the oil. You put the oil on. A while.
With a lot of pressure here. Good freeze. Junker's so close, and he finds it. He comes back around.
What man are you doing?
I think Mitty put it in here. I think Mitty might have put it in with the magnet. I think he pulled it closer.
Oh, I think he did.
Mitty, another shit play.
What a. Oh my god.
Gorilla.
Who's like looking at a monkey like, fuck, that looks good.
Yeah, what? Hey, Siri.
Like, I never went to I was like,
Monkeys
damn, I
taste
was like that.
I feel like it's a low-hanging fruit at this point, but it's just.
Shut up.
50,000 on Monday.
Go in!
What the fuck? Where did
Yeah.
he go? Oh, in
Not that one.
Okay, fuck it. I'm gonna go through every single fucking door. Fuck
Alright.
this.
Oh, the bitchy baristas. Black. I like that one. I like that one. I think Sam likes that one a lot.
Yeah, I don't know about that one.
2 coffees. 2 coffees.
Dude, the coffee machine can only go so fast.
Well, I'm just gonna clean up messes, I guess.
Dude.
Holy shit, these people are messy as fuck! It's coffee!
How do I get hit?
Oh. Unlucky. Dude, you goomba'd me!
Yeah, come on.
Dude, the server. Oh, Devin's teleporting!
I
Dude.
just scored it. Stop following.
That's pretty funny. Oh shit.
Bad positioning there, on my part.
I'm gonna feel like it beat. Oh, I'm trying to avoid so bad.
Alright, look it's right the way. You kill yourself.
No.
Was that all of mine?
Holy fuck! That was amazing.
Alexa, how much time is left on my timer?
There are no timers set.
Are you?
Oh.
Wait, it's because I told her to shut the fuck up.
That's right!
You can now set monthly and yearly.
Alexa, shut the hell up.
Actually, no, I did know that. I did know that one.
Hmm.
I just forgot about it.
Lantears. That sounds like a fucking Pokemon, dude.
It's found a Pal World.
Oh, it literally sounds like it. Alright, motherfuckers. Alright, motherfuckers. I can guarantee sock does not match with spell.
Oh my god, bro, you are disgusting.
Look out, you're run. Oh, dude, that was a worthy sacrifice.
Trying!
Oh my
Worthy sacrifice.
Why is it
I'm gonna be honest, Logan. I hit you with an expendable anti-tank missile, but it's fine.
Yes, that's why I said it was a worthy sacrifice.
I'm on the back wall. I'm pissed.
Wait, give me 1 second.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, Sam.
Oh
Oh yeah.
What? What did you do?
Oh yeah.
I am not a part of your patient care team. I do not care.
She doesn't care.
I am genius.
I guess ramming your head into a door really works.
No, that was me, not you.
I start, you start, or you start, I start. That works.
Bitch.
Holy shit! Wait, I don't even know what I want in here because I already.
You don't want it? I'll take it.
No, fuck you. I'll be. I just. You know what? You can have it.
Bitch. I'm out.
I'm only gonna have like 2 rips of this, and like.
Well, that's a great start.
Telling me he right after the dash? What? There's no way.
Dumb waiter, that is Courtney. Because she's a waiter and she's dumb.
See,
You
put
see
your
what I'm,
prayers up
you
to
see
the
what I'm
shot.
shooting? You see what I'm shooting here?
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Ooh, big hit.
Oh,
Bye.
The slow.
Dude.
Yeah, you really did just kind of.
He's missing a lot of armor.
Yeah. Ow. You fucker.
Lock him up.
Whee! God damn. What is that?
Well, he's not dead.
There you go.
Jesus.
No, you be fucking kidding me.
Bro, as long as your teammates aren't here, the shocky, very good.
Yep,
Yes.
there it is. God damn it, dude.
47 seconds later.
Misha.
Dude, that's crazy.
Now what did I fucking say?
I'm putting it.
What happened last time?
Guard, you're being quite a pain in my asshole right now.
Why? Why? I'm fucking losing it.
There's no way.
Dude, I know you saw that shit.
I've been watching. Here, I have an idea.
If I'm thinning off.
Well, that'll do it.
There we go.
Oh, he's coming! Oh, he's coming! I got him! Bastards up here! Up here!
What the fuck?
Up here! I'm saving that.
Dude, you just got tossed.
Focus! Alright, let's go. Oh, my God.
Oh, what the? Oh, guys, right away.
I'm dead. This is a dead end. This is a dead end. But I think if you pull it long, yeah.
Are you okay? Holy shit.
Just leave it.
Holy shit. Oh, my abs hurt. Oh my god.